Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, Professor, Consultant Endocrine Metabolic. This morning, I will be presented my test report and the title Turner syndrome with sleeve capital femoral hypoplasia, scoliosis, osteoporosis, drug-induced hypothyroid chronic kidney disease on hemodialysis and moderate depression. My name is Ardianto from Medical Faculty of University Sriwijaya of University Palembang, Indonesia. Introduction. Turner syndrome is a sex chromosomal disorder characterized by the loss or structural abnormality of one of the X chromosome. The variant is about 1 per 2,500 to 1 per 3,000 live births in girls. Clinical manifestation such status, gonadal dyskinesis, facial dysmorphic, limb edema, cardiac anomalies, musculoskeletal disorder, neurocognitive, and other problems. Case report. And 18-year-old girl with Turner syndrome with clinical manifestation of sleeve capital femoral hypoplasia, scoliosis, osteoporosis, drug-induced hypothyroid, chronic kidney disease, on hemodialysis and moderate depression. The reason, yearly and holistic diagnosis to be of optimal management, and then reduce morbidity and mortality case. Identification, Mrs. Dahl, female, 18-year-old, student at junior high school, unmarried status, Islamic religion, Indonesian Hospital, April 6, 2021. She complained the body is getting weaker since weeks before admission to hospital. Additional complaint, stomach is getting bigger since week before admission to hospital. This is progression of story. 6-year-old, but legs suddenly cannot be moved when walking off. 11 years old, attachment of Rifai Abdullah Hospital, X-ray and MRI, fractures the left femoral head and thoracolumbar scoliosis were seen. Reporters suggested the orthopedic surgery. 15-year-old, the post-minor fashion, and 16-year-old, finding easily tired, easily too sweet, there is lump in the neck. Report hospital laboratory, thyroid stimulating hormone is low, and T3 and T4 high base. It suggests hypothyroidism was treated. 70-year-old, the girl's conclusion headache, bacterial meningitis, hydrocephalus, and AVP shunt was placed. The laboratory result, free T4 1.09 and thyroid stimulating hormones 13.8. Wash out pyrosol, ultrasonography abdomen, moderate bilateral hydronephrosis. 18-year-old, the patient had decreased kidney function and hemoglobin 6.6, creatinine serum 7x.8, and ureum 343 milligram per deciliter. MCKDV 6.9. Ultrasound of tractus urigenital, moderate hydronephrosis bilateral, and cystitis. 18-year-old at April 6, 2021, admission to hospital. The patient complained with body was getting weaker and his stomach was getting bigger since 1 week before he was admitted to hospital. At physical examination, general condition moderate pain, body mass index 14.8 kilogram per meter square. Specific condition as fiber conjunctive fail, neck water is present, diffuse, firm consistency, size 5 and 6 centimeter. Mobile abdomen, assist expression, palmar, inferior extremity, deformity positive, angulation positive, fracture positive, and shortening positive. Laboratorium, bone X and whole spine X-ray. Laboratory hemoglobin 9.2 gram per deciliter, white blood cell 70.520, CKD-EV 30.3, hypocalcemia, decreased renal function, hypoalbumin, increased testosterone hormone, decrease of luteinizing hormone dan follicle stimulating hormone, and estradiol, decrease in calcium and vitamin D. Professional diagnosis, antithyroid drug induced hypothyroid, CKD on hemodialysis, severe malnutrition, secondary amenorrhea, scoliosis, left femur fractures, hypocalcemia, vitamin D insufficiency, and hypogonadism. This case is also considered Chandra syndrome. My planning of gene consultation, bone marrow densitometry, gynecological ultrasonography, echography, and karyotyping chromosome management, therapeutic management during triage, clinical nutrition consultation, albumin correction, protein hemodilution 2 weeks, levothyroxine 100 microgram daily dose, vitamin D, folic acid, and progesterone 5 mg 1 daily dose, and acetous parasynthesis. Result of BMD echocardiogram, thyroid ultrasound, and gynecological ultrasound. BMD show the osteoporosis, echocardiography, impression, left ventricle hypertrophy, left ventricle function, preserved minimal pleural effusion, and thyroid ultrasound, normal bilateral diffuse goiter, and gynecological ultrasound, normal uterus, but ovarium not visualized. From karyotyping cell, number of chromosome 45 with the loss of 1 X chromosome. Classic Turner syndrome. Discussion. Turner syndrome was first discovered by the Henry Tandem when 19 and 38. Is a chromosomal abnormality that often occur characterized by loss or structural abnormality on one of the X chromosome. Turner syndrome, clinical, multi-organ, and highly variability clinical manifestation. Turner syndrome disorder includes both the phenotype and genotype. Turner syndrome clinical manifestation category high short sectors, then gonadal, endocrine, gastro and hepatic, age, ear, mouth, neck, thorax, skin, nail and hair, skeletal, cardiac, renal and psychosocial, and others. Abnormality in Turner syndrome, gonadal disorders and infertility. hypergonadotrophic hypoglycemia is common as Turner syndrome, secondary and primary to infertility. The mechanism is still unclear. Maybe oocyte negative for but ovarian. This patient has secondary sex sign according to Tanner's 2, breast and pubis. Research data, the development secondary sex sign can be normal spontaneous before puberty around 21 until 50%. Bone and musculoskeletal disorder. Prevalence of bone disorder is Turner syndrome, 1 stress fractures, cubitus valgus, osteoporosis, kyphosis, HCFE, scoliosis. Mineral bone disorders in Turner syndrome, vitamin D deficiency, CKD-MBD, long immobilization as post-positive tractors, endocrine disorders and autoimmune disorder. Autoimmune disease in Turner syndrome actually 4 finds 87 highly. For example, hypogonadism, Graves' disease, celiac disease, Hashimoto thyroiditis, diabetes mellitus type 1 and type 2, chronic thyroiditis. Laboratory development of thyroid hormone function, maybe anti-thyroid drug induced hypothyroid. Kidney and urinary tract disorder, hydronephrosis and nephrolithiasis, ectopic kidney, double collecting system, pelvic junction, and physicourethral reflux junction and cystitis. Neurocognitive and behavioral disorder, short stature, X chromosome, estrogen deficiency, hypothyroid, social risk, quality of life, and neurocognitive disorder in Turner syndrome, 10%. Morbidity and mortality, maybe cardiovascular disorder, metabolic disorder, hormone level dysfunction, maybe 30 morbidity and mortality 30 high. Turner syndrome therapy and management is multidisciplinary management science in Turner syndrome. Is the gynecologist, cardiologist, endocrinologist, radiologist, pediatric endocrinologist, psychologist, and fertility specialist. Multidisciplinary approach for hormone therapy was age and tertiary hormone replacement therapy at 12 years. Growth hormone therapy, hormone replacement therapy, and supplementation. Conclusion of case, Turner syndrome and clinical manifestations, sleeve capital femoral epiphysis, scoliosis, osteoporosis, drug-induced hypothyroid, chronic kidney disease, on hemodialysis, and moderate depression. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Finish a case report. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.